Hello everybody, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, today we're going to do a real quick video. This is my Acme Supreme Juicerator. And they're not kidding, this is the Supreme Juicerator. It's been in storage for a long time because what happened is the ring on the bottom, it was old red rubber ring gasket on the foot here. And it wore out because this thing is about 40 years old. And I tried using it without the ring, and what happened is it vibrated so much that it fell apart. And this thing, when it gets up to speed, I don't know how many thousands RPM it is, but it's like a small jet engine. It's like incredible. I'm going to start up, and once we get this fixed, I'll show you real quick. But what I did is, I was getting ready to make a gasket, but you know what? I said, let me see if they still sell these. Because as 40 years old, they probably won't have it. But sure enough, I went on eBay, and I went to smallappliance.com on eBay, and they had a gasket for the, and I just peeled out the rest of the red rubber, and it fits right in. Boop, 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 boop. This is model 6001. This gasket will fit several of the juicerators. But now it won't vibrate and fall apart while it's running and threaten to kill me. So this is an extraordinary juicer. I tend to use my mixer, my Vitamix, more because I like to have the pulp. I think your body needs the pulp. There's things in it that your microbes and so on need. But if you need to juice something, there's no better juicer on the planet. And the cool thing about the Juicerator is that it gets out more juice from your vegetables and fruits. So you're saving a lot of money by using a powerful machine. But it's so simple. There's only 4 components. You've got the top. You've got a bolt. You've got the plate that has little burrs on it that scrape away the pulp of your fruit and vegetables. And you have the basket that's stainless steel that has a little screen in there, so all the liquid comes out. And this thing is traveling, I don't know how many thousands RPM. But we're going to start this and show you. And when you stop it, it takes like 2 minutes for it to stop, to wind down. It's so well made, and it's balanced. So long as you have the gasket in the bottom, it doesn't start vibrating. And this little guy, it fits right into the hole, so it puts it back on evenly. Excuse me. The top goes right there. Slides under. We're going to take the top off so you can see this thing in action. Alright, it's only got one on-off switch, and only one direction. It says, caution, unplug before cleaning and before assembling it or removing parts. And you're going to see why. Let's put this sucker on. It's going to take about 2 minutes for the darn thing to stop. It sounds a little loose. I may not have tightened it. I got this at a thrift store for $25. I almost didn't get it. I went in, I saw it, and I went to get a cart. When I came back, a lady saw me looking at it and put it in her cart. I followed her around for 10 minutes, and when she went to check out, she changed her mind and put it back. I wanted that darn juicer. So, let's slow it down. Was it loose? No. That's okay. So, if you guys want a good juicer, get you an Acme Supreme Juicerator. They're extraordinary. This thing is like 40 years old. It's going to outlast me. And they still sell parts for them. And there's only like 4 components. And you save a lot of money because it removes a lot of juice, more than the other juicers. So let's unplug it. This is, you can see, Acme Supreme Juicerator, model 6001, manufactured by Acme Juicer, Lemoyne, Pennsylvania, and Sierra Madre, California. Back when we still made stuff. Alright guys, hope that little video helps. If you have a juicer and it's wobbling, that's what you can do. You can fix it real simple. And if you don't have a juicer, now you have juicer envy. Alright guys, see you out there.